we have 2 boosters and an EBT box, ETB box, EBT. So anyway, we're gonna open these and hope we get some type of hit because I have work later on today and I didn't want to do this at work. Snorlax, this is nice. This is very nice. The promo Snorlax. We got the sleeves. The ETBs first. Let's move these to the side. Okay, so. Ooh, that is nice. Okay. I love the art on these. They're very nice. I feel like a lot of these are worth it. That's nice. I like this. Ooh, that's nice. Look at this. Hollow energy before. You know, I love Arcanine. Love him. Nice. So we're hoping for the best. We are hoping for the best. Ooh, Gengar. And I mean, getting hits is cool and stuff, but you go into it with the expectations of you're not gonna get what you want. I think that's what's uh-oh. I seen something by accident. Oh, that's nice, another energy. Oh, this is nice. Ooh, right in back of it. That's the first EX of the day. Charmander. Oh, how reverse all of this?
This is stunning. Bye-bye flight.
I like this. Ooh, dark energy. We got from the ETB, we got these 2. Squirtle, Drowsy, King, Energy, Staryu, Charmander, Sparrow, Bellsprout, Sandslash, Nidorino, Golduck. Ooh, we got the Blastoise EX, baby. We got the Blastoise, baby. Yes, let's go. Let's go. I mean, I was expecting to pull a EX today, but I wasn't really expecting to get like anything crazy. I just wanted to just do this, have a good time doing it. Ooh, the Mewtwo. Nice, I like that. I love that one. Did anyone, by the way, did anyone beat the Mewtwo raid? I was trying to help everybody. That's why I put like a little video online just showing that I'm willing to help anyone who needs help with the raid. I end up helping a few people who needed help. Made me happy to help. Ooh, we got an Arbok EX. That is nice. Look at that. I love the artwork on that. It got like the little spinning like the venom out and shit. That's cool. I'm not mad at these hits. Another Arcanine. Vulpix. Articunos. Four more packs left. Okay, so we got a Moltres. Ooh, nice. Ooh, Marowak. Shiny energy. You know what's crazy? Because I saw that they had the illustrated art of this. Flareon again. Ooh! This was one of the chase cards. This was one of the chase cards I wanted. Nice. Let's go, baby. We got some. Oh, Vaporeon. Nice. Let's get back to the grind. We'll enjoy at the end. Gengar. Mewtwo. I know those are not really special to y'all, but they're special to me. Oh, I forgot a gold card because I just saw energy and I just didn't skip the whole. I didn't even care about it. I was like, oh, whatever. But we had that. We have the Wigglypuff EX, which is beautiful. We have this one, the Blastoise EX, amazing. Nidoking, my chase card, one of them. Caterpie. I love the art on this. We have Arbok EX. And we have Snorlax, the promo card. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe. And we'll do another 151 unboxing. Jay out.